All y'all might be wondering where I've been. Well, we went on vacation for 2 weeks. Came home the week of Christmas. Then when I came home, I did a job and had an accident, which I will show you. And now we just starting in the new year, so hopefully I'll be putting some videos out here and there. Maybe I will put a video out about our trip and where we went and what we did. So just stay tuned and watch out. Alright, Grassy Maniacs, you saw that chainsaw versus my hand. My hand surely didn't win. 17 stitches later, could have been worse. I can move my hand around, I can feel everything. So God was looking out for me. This happened just a couple days before Christmas, so I hope all y'all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hopefully 2021 will be better for all of us, but time will tell, and we can't do nothing about it anyway, so just sit down and enjoy the ride. So I hope everybody is doing well. You know what, Grassy Maniacs, if I would have took the safety in consideration and had my gloves on, I probably wouldn't have had my hand tore up by the chainsaw. So when you're doing stuff, just take time to wear your safety gear, because that was something I forgot to bring that day, and now I regret not having it. But I will have this nice scar to remind me about it every day, and it could have been a lot worse. I'm just thankful that it wasn't. So safety first, everybody.